Environment Studies, Class 5, Chapter 3, Likes and Dislikes. Children, till now in this chapter you have learnt about height, weight, sign language. Now we are going to talk about people with different abilities. Today we will discuss about life of Helen Keller. Let's begin. She was 1.5 years old when she lost her hearing power and eyesight due to illness. When she was 7 years old, her parents hired an able teacher, Annie Sullivan, for her education. She tried to teach Helen by writing words on her hand, but it was difficult as the meaning could not be conveyed to her by speaking or by showing. Helen Keller was shifted to a new house. Helen's teacher requested her parents that they should not feel pity on their child's illness. Instead, they should leave her alone so that she could do all the things by herself. So she was shifted to a new house. One day, while sitting near a tap, her teacher put a few drops of water on one of her hands and wrote water on the other. In the same way, she gave her a doll in one hand and wrote doll on her other hand. Then she touched the ground immediately and the teacher wrote ground on her hand. From that day, Helen was able to understand the meaning of words. This way, she learned 30 words in one day and thus started her education. She learned 5 languages, children. How many languages? 5 languages through Braille script and became a famous writer. You have learnt about Braille script earlier and also in your 3rd class also. And not only she became a famous writer, she also traveled across the world. Many people got inspiration from her life despite their physical losses. So children, this was about Helen Keller and her special abilities. Now time for homework. Write 5 to 7 lines about Helen Keller's life.